Oh, welcome. I feel a strange energy today.
Yes, I have a magic exam tomorrow.
You study, you pass.
That's not magic.
Wait. You study hard, you will pass the exam.
Okay, that sounds better.
I want to know about love.
Oh, love. Dangerous.
Will I have a girlfriend?
If you shower every day, you will have a girlfriend.
Hey!
Crystal Ball says you will eat a quesadilla today.
That's true.
She's actually good.
And if you touch the crystal ball, it glows.
OMG, it's work!
Yes. My work here is done. Pay me in snacks. Welcome. I can see you, Destiny.
My destiny? Oh, I just want a good dinner.
Your future is not clear. It depends on your decisions.
That sounds deep.
If you make good decisions, you will have a bright future.
Okay, I like that.
But if you're lazy, your destiny will change.
Oh no. Will I be lucky?
Yes, you will be lucky tomorrow.
Really?
If you wake up early.
Never mind.
Can I change my destiny?
Of course. Your future is in your hands.
Wow.
Wait. I see something important.
What?
You will eat something delicious today.
That's my destiny. Tell me something more serious.
Fine. If you follow your dreams, you will be more successful.
And if I don't follow my dreams?
If you don't try it, you will regret.
Okay, that was actually a good advice.
The future is a mystery, but your destiny is your choice.
So my destiny is homework?
You will do it later.
No!
Whatever.
Will I be lucky?
Dangerous. Your destiny will change.